Hello everybody, I'm Major.
And I'm Phil.
And today Phil has got a special recipe for us that involves possibly your favorite cola. Isn't that right, Phil?
That's right. Now, this is not my recipe per se. I found this online. It is a creamy vanilla Coke. Now, I know you're thinking vanilla Coke already exists. Yes, but this is a homemade version, and we're going to find out if it tastes as good or better than regular vanilla Coke. So this came from a website I found. I don't remember how I came across this, but it's a website called whiteonricecouple.com. I don't know. I'll put a link in the description. But it was somebody had used to go to this mom and pop restaurant, and there was a creamy vanilla Coke. They said was called like a polar bear. It was an off the menu item. 20 years later, they went back, and the people didn't know what they're talking about. So this recipe is sort of an estimate or guesstimate of what that would have been. And it's very simple. It's just simply, it's very simple. It's simply, I'll keep saying simple. 12 ounces of Coke, half and half, and vanilla syrup. And you stir it, that's it. Probably gonna be pretty good, to be honest.
Yeah, sounds great.
And then, like I said, we have here is regular. This is just a vanilla Coke straight out of one of the Coke machines. And we'll see how that compares to this. So,
okay.
You want to get into this?
Let's get to it.
Okay. So, first, you got your Coke there.
Yep.
We're just going to pour our 12 ounces of Coke into our glass of ice.
All right.
And they say leave an inch at the top, though it doesn't really matter. We're pouring 12 ounces into a 16-ounce cup.
There it goes.
It's a race. I guess with the ice, we gotta be careful. I guess that's the thing. So I'll stop there. Okay.
You gotta leave a little bit of room.
2 tablespoons of half and half.
All right.
So got my tablespoon measure. 1, 2. Bring that over here. People who make more recipes, make this stuff like this seem so much easier. Let's clean that up before we get too far ahead. And then last,
after yourself.
half a tablespoon of vanilla syrup.
All right.
Now, where's my
half a tablespoon?
It's not a whole lot, to be honest, but maybe it's just what you need.
Just enough.
Now, all we got to do is stir it.
All right, take our little coffee straws here, and then...
I wonder if we could drink it out of it with using. Ooh, it looks good.
Oh, yeah. Got a real nice...
It's got a nice milk. It's got a iced coffee look with the...
Yeah.
But obviously it's not.
It definitely does. So...
Mmm.
Very nice.
It's got sort of a float smell.
Smells, yeah, like kind of like a
Here's
root
what it
beer.
looks like right there.
Float. Look at that.
Let's give this a shot.
Nice little coffee look to it. And
Toast it.
Cheers.
Okay, that's not bad.
It tastes...
It's not as sweet as I was expecting it to taste.
No, it tastes very close to vanilla Coke.
Yeah, but it's,
But it still seems like it may have had a little bit of ice cream in it, which I guess is a half and half, but...
Yeah, I think you could probably mess around with this to get it to a sweeter place than this, But
I kind of like it like this, so...
That is...
I think
interesting.
If it feels any sweeter, it'd be too much.
Yeah.
You know? But...
Okay.
That's really good.
I like that.
I'm impressed, Phil.
I'll say I don't love it, but I don't dislike it. That sounds weird.
This seems like something that would be kind of fun to have at a party.
Yeah, like a theme party or something like that.
Yeah, I don't really know. I'm thinking more of a fall, like winter party, I guess.
Or you all, you take part in a polar plunge.
Yeah.
You go to a get together afterwards and you have some, whatever. I'm just trying to theme it, all right? Let us know what you think, if you've had this before, if you've done your own experiments with this stuff. You got a recipe you want us to try, let us know.
Give us a subscribe a like and comment below what you think about this mixture right here. What'd you do to tweak it that made it to your liking? Just let us know in the comments.
And did we mess it up in some way and you want to hate on us, that's fine too.
Or do you find this just absolutely despicable?
That's right. If it's an abomination of Coke.
Yeah. So anyways, Phil, I think, just you never fail me, it seems like, on my taste buds. Everything that you kind of come up with from the...
Remember, I did not make this. He keeps implying I invented this.
He curated it.
Yes, I found it.
He found it. But yeah, it's definitely good. It's definitely worth a try. Next party that you have, put this next to the fruit punch and have some fun with it. I think, kids would like it. It makes them think that they're, drinking something that they're not supposed to be. And just be a fun time overall, and your taste buds will thank you later.
That's right. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Goodbye.
Bye.